What's up, 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀 family, and welcome back to this series on this Charger Daytona. As you guys saw, Nick did an incredible job at washing it and getting it ready for us, and also Jason too. Thank you so much, Jason. He did an incredible job at 𝗃𝗄𝗃 in the paint, and now it's ready for me to do the paint correction stage. As you can see, we have a polisher, we got pads, we got a bunch of compounds and polishes and towels and so much fun stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep your car when it comes to paint correction for ceramic coating. All right, so since we have everything ready and prepped and ready to go, all we have to do now is basically choose which compound or polish and pad combination that we're gonna be using today. So obviously we just dropped our all new V41 Supreme Cut Extreme compound. Now this is great for heavy defects. As you can see, this is a newer car, so I don't think we're gonna need this. So we're just gonna go ahead and set that to the side. But in this case, I'm very confident in saying that the Insynchro V45 Supreme Finish Polish is gonna be more than enough for what we need to restore all the scratches, swirls, and oxidation on this paintwork to get it ready for that ceramic coating stage. So this is gonna be the product that we choose on today's video, and I'm gonna be pairing it with a white polishing pad as well. Bam. All right guys, so right here we have our white polishing pad and our Torque 15DA dual action polisher. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is line up the pad with the backing plate. You wanna make sure that when you apply it, or put it on, whatever you want to call it, you want to make sure it's as centered as possible. You don't want it to be kind of like lopsided, because the more even you have it, the more even cut that you're going to be able to get. Now, to follow it up, we're going to be using our Supreme Finish Polish. Now, same thing, 5 drops to a 5-inch pad. 6-inch pad, 6 drops, 7-inch pad, 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just like that, that's more than enough for what we need to start removing the fine scratches and swirls on this paintwork. Now, since I showed you guys right here on this little bumper area, this is plastic, this is aluminum over here, but we're gonna treat it like the same thing. So we're gonna start off by blotting out the product on a 2x2 section. In this case, I'm just gonna work in this little area right here, this little corner area. And thankfully, there's no rubber shields around the area, so I don't have to worry about masking anything out. You're gonna turn on the machine and turn it on to speed setting 1 to just spread out the product a little bit further. Now keep in mind guys that when you are doing this step, you're not working in the product yet. You're just simply spreading it out, so that way the product is not just accumulated in one area. Now when using a dual action polisher, whenever it comes to the cutting part, you want to go ahead and make sure that the pad is flat against the surface. You want to turn on the machine, and then in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on to like speed setting 2 or 3. And then once it gets into that flow, then you're going to go ahead and turn it up to the highest speed setting, and then you're going to really work the product in to eliminate those imperfections like those scratches, the swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, really anything that's on there. And I know guys, keep in mind this is a newer car, but there are some imperfections on here, and you definitely do not want to apply protectant like a ceramic coating on a paintwork that has light scratches like this, because if you think about it, when you apply that, it's just going to emphasize the paint, and it's going to bring out the overall visibility of those scratches and swirls, as well as anything else that's in your paintwork. So that's why we're doing this step. And like I said, I just want to address that for anyone out there in the comment section right now saying, oh, they're polishing a brand new car. Even brand new cars can have imperfections, believe it or not. All right, anyways, we're going to go ahead and turn it on, speed setting 2 or 3. We're going to get with the flow, then we're going to turn it up high and work it in, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the results. Woo! All right, so now that we're done working on the product, we're gonna grab ourselves a fresh microfiber towel, and we're gonna start off by wiping off the residue of the product. Now, right now is the perfect time to inspect the results. So like I mentioned, I was pretty confident in saying that we didn't need a compound to remove the imperfections in this paint. And right now is that moment where you realize whether you do have to go more aggressive or not. But in this case, I'll be completely honest with you guys, this is looking really good. I don't think I see any kind of imperfections or any kind of oxidation anymore or marring. So I'm very, very confident and happy with these results. All right guys, so now that we've found out our polishing combination, which is the white polishing pad paired with that Supreme Finish polish, now all we have to do is do the rest of the vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and polish this entire thing and get it ready for that ceramic coating. Who's gonna do it? I don't know. It might be me, it might be somebody else, but you're just gonna have to wait to find out. You guys wanna see me polish this entire thing? Come with me. All right, guys, and just like that, as you can see, this thing is polished to perfection. No more scratches, no more swirls, no more water spots, no oxidation whatsoever, nothing but shine and glimmer left behind. And now it's the perfect time to ceramic coat the vehicle. But as mentioned, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or someone else is gonna do it. So, all right, guys, you guys already know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up any of our all new products, including the nsynchro Supreme Cut Extreme Compound, you can pick them up on our website, 𝘃𝗵𝗃𝗍𝗂𝗋𝗋.com, or swing by our local detail garage and pick them up in person. Why wait? Just go in there, walk in there, be like, hey, I want that stuff that gets rid of the scratches. And then be like, all right, we got you. Come this way. But just like that, guys, my name is Joey. This is 𝘃𝗵𝗃𝗍, guys. I'll see you on the next one.